My philosophy. I believe that all children can and will learn. Children all learn in different ways, so it is important when preparing lessons that the teacher provides different activities to promote learning. We must keep in mind when planning that some students are visual learners while others are auditory learners. A curriculum that incorporates each different learning style is important. I feel that we as educators should be able to adapt to each of our students' learning styles. A teacher needs to get to know his or her students well in order to plan instruction. We must be prepared to provide various strategies, materials, pace, and provide remediation to ensure that all students are learning. The classroom should have a safe and inviting atmosphere where the students can express themselves freely and be comfortable in their own skin. The classroom is where the children will spend most of their days. This is where the kids will begin their day with morning exercises and circle time, and where they will end their day with a daily report. In order for the students to be fully open up and participate, the classroom should be set up and arranged for the students to be productive. The classroom should not only make students feel safe, but valued as well. With a proper classroom environment, students' self-esteem can go up and they will be more engaged in learning. I feel that the teacher should make a connection with his or her students. Every student is different and has individual needs that need to be met in order to learn successfully. Once a student feels that they are comfortable and safe with their teacher, I feel that their learning opportunities are endless. They will participate more and be more open to learning techniques and challenges they may face. Once a student has gained confidence, their learning capabilities have no limits. Students should be comfortable expressing themselves and embracing who they are, as well as accepting the difference in others. No child should be judged or looked down on, but should be praised and made to believe that once they set their minds on something, they can conquer the world. I believe that all children should accept themselves for who they are, not for what they have accomplished or failed to accomplish. With the right mindset and influence from the teachers, the students have every opportunity to learn. Thank y'all for listening.